Okay, what is up, guys? So today, I told you I'd be making another video, and I am. Today is gonna be just a random video, and yeah, so we're just gonna go around Animal Jam, and we're gonna check out a lot of things. So yeah. While we're going through everything, I guess what party's on? Play Wild. Yeah, first let's go check out her channel. What is going on? Okay, so I'm gonna show you what happened earlier. So I was at her den because she was having a store. Look at all these freaking vending machines. And then what the heck? So no, one girl was asking for an elephant, one girl was asking for the wolf, and the other one was asking for the tiger. And I was asking for the horse and the elephant, and she said, well, they're not for trade, even though her store is out, and she has these clouds out, she has that raccoon, she has all this crap out, and she's saying they're not for trade. So yeah, better watch out for her, guys. Anyways, other than what just happened, I guess we oh 3 minutes still. I don't want to do anything else. I hate when this happens. Okay. Yes, I do have to do that a lot. Okay. Oh, they have a turkey hat. Oh, this is new. I just noticed that. No, I didn't. I noticed that earlier, but you know. Got her. Oh, fine. I need to get rid of some of this stuff. Get rid of you. Oh, what to do? Oh my goodness, don't tell me. I'm so mad. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm really sorry about that. Anyways, I'm back. So I don't know what I was doing. I guess I was just pretty bored. So I had to like pause and just pause. So anyways, I guess we're just gonna sit here and play this and add to my collection of stuffies. Why is this not working? Okay. And yes, I do use a keyboard for a lot of this crap. Or, I mean, not crap, but most of this stuff, I don't use, like, the mouse as much. Because my screen is touchscreen, by the way. So, yeah. Come on. Is the volume? Oh. Okay. Yes. Wait, let me play one more time. I need to do something. Oh, I just want something. Oh yeah, snow leopard, pink snow leopard. Back. So loud. so loud. I need to get me another blue Arctic wolf because I don't know. I just need another one. Last time. Okay, I'm done. And I'm back. Anyways, yeah, if you're wondering why I keep on cutting it, it's because I don't know, I want to just make it perfect. No, I'm just kidding, I don't. Because after I'm done recording, I always watch it and then just watches it and then, like, I just like how I see how it cuts because, never mind, it's too complicated. And somebody's at my den, let's go check it out. Oh, it's her. Hi. 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 Why are you always doing that to me? Why? Hi. Bye. Okay, whatever her face. She unbuttered me. Not buttered me. Unbutting me. Oh, let's go check out this person. Why is it always sending me to... Never mind. Whoa, I know that. I know that, I know how to do that, glitch. I know how to do that glitch. That glitch is easy. I'm bored. And now I'm bored. Anyways, I'm really bored. Okay. I'm really bored now. Boredness is taking over. I'm sorry, it's just taking over. What to do? Oh, I know what to do. Let's go here. Whoa. Have you noticed guys cry too much? I'm sorry, but it's true. Ew. This is the worst party ever. I can't believe I got out of this place just to do that. Why? Ooh, rare giveaway at the end. Ooh. I'll turn into my bunny to be awesome. Yeah, my bunny's kind of creepy. Yep. And I'm back. Okay, so anyways. What am I doing wearing this hat? Wait a second. I need to fix my outfit because it's just all weird. Okay, let me just fix it. It's all weird up. And really, I'm supposed to be black and white. There we go. What is my trade like being? Oh my, it's terrible because I didn't feel like doing it. No, thank you. And I already have a rare turkey hat in there. Mostly whenever I want something, I trade my rare turkey hat for it, and I basically get it because I don't know. It just happens. What do you? Ugh, you have that thingy, like jig. I don't know what would be the whole point of having that. You can't have that only thing. You have the thing that on you, that black glasses, that shirt. You can't give people. I can't gift you, but I can trade you. Oh, by the way, guys, I didn't tell you. I am getting, what was it again? Oh, I'm getting membership. This coming up. No, cancel. Be right back. And I'm back. Get it? I'm back. But anyways, so what shall we do? What shall we do? I'm so bored. Oh, snowballs. Don't stop running away from me. He was running away from me. Why? Why were you running away from me? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You do have. I can't trade right now. I can't. But I can look at your trade and see what I can get off of there. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, I didn't show you what I did. Oh my goodness. I was gonna show you what he traded me. He traded me a rare. Or I don't know if this is a he or she. Wait, let me look. This is a he.